What's going on, people? It's your boy Wiz, back again with another video. I'm here at the gym off the late night. As you can see, I practically got the gym to myself, man. Definitely not used to that here, but yeah, man, doing a little bit of chest and triceps today, and I really want to focus on my lower chest. So I thought, why not record a video showing the best exercises to stimulate that lower chest and get them chest gains. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm about to go ahead and hit the gym floor and show you the best exercises for your lower chest. Let's get it. Hey, what's going on, people, and welcome back to the commentary section of the video. So when you're working your lower chest, it really goes without saying, and you probably already know this, but the best exercise to work your lower chest is going to be the decline chest press. Now, I prefer to do the decline chest press with a dumbbell rather than a barbell, because with the dumbbell, you get a greater range of motion. You can really focus on that stretch at the bottom of the movement, you know, really tapping into that mind-muscle connection. I just find that I get greater benefits with the dumbbells when I do the decline chest press. And you already know with compounds, you know, we're going to be getting more gains, we're going to be getting more strength development over time. So the decline chest press is our first exercise for lower chest development. All right, guys, moving into our second workout for the lower chest is going to be the dip. Now, this is actually going to be the second compound movement that we're hitting. And with the dip, you want to make sure you're doing it chest variation as to where you're coming parallel. If you look at the back of my arm, my triceps, they always come parallel to the ground before I push up. Again, you want to focus on that mind-muscle connection in that lower chest. Alright, guys, so the next exercise we're doing as a part of this lower chest workout is going to be a single arm standing cable press. Now, if you notice with the first two movements I did with the dip, and even if you're really thinking about it, the dumbbell chest press decline because of the angle of my body, all these exercises involve having your arm go back and then down. So the external rotation, you know, as a part of this workout I'm doing right here, really just assist in that stretch of that arm, you know, really stretching out that lower chest and coming back and pushing with the chest. That stretch, you know, what you feel at the top of the movement is really just going to be the thing that's going to be tearing up the muscle fibers in your lower chest. And as you press down, you're going to really feel the burn with this one. Alright, guys, so the last exercise as a part of this lower chest workout is actually going to be a straight bar push down. You're going to want to put a straight bar onto the cable. Now, when you're doing this exercise, you're going to want to make sure that you lean forward when you're doing this movement so you can really put the tension of the weight into the chest. And if you notice my arms, you'll see that it's really another variation of a dip where we're not, like, you know, moving up and down in the air. It's kind of like a reverse standing dip where instead of our body moving up and down, the bar is moving up and down. So now you're going to want to get high and wide with this movement. And just like with the dip, when your arms go up, you're going to want your triceps to be parallel with the ground before you push that weight back down. And make sure you stay leaned forward so you can really keep that tension in the chest. And I'm telling you, this as a finisher for a chest day and a part of a lower chest workout will really put the bread on the butter and the gains in your chest. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any type of value in it, if you can take a minute and just smash the like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I drop workout tutorials and tips like this video here, along with other fitness and health vlogs. So join the crew. I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here, get my post-workout meal in, and just chill. So into my next video, I'm gonna catch you guys later on. Deuces, baby.